you guys saw the thumbnail, I'm going to show you how to make a holiday treat for your family that you can have on the table this Thanksgiving, and it will be appealing to everyone. We are going to make brownies, turkey brownies, not turkey meat in the brownies, but the brownies that we can decorate to make to look like a turkey. Here I have on the counter all the ingredients that you will need. So let's get into it and let me show you the ingredients that I have. Okay, so this is everything verbatim that you will need to make these brownies. Of course, you're gonna have to have some brownie mix. And this is the Betty Crocker Fudge Brownie Mix, okay? And this costs $1 at the Dollar Tree. You will need these ingredients as on the back to make these brownies, okay? Which the ingredients are, you will need 1 egg, you will need some oil, you will need some water, okay? And that's just to make the brownie mix itself, okay? Now for the decorations, we are going to use M&Ms, and we are going to pull certain colors out of the M&Ms, the orange, the red, the yellow, the brown. And we are going to use peanut butter cups for the head. If you can't find peanut butter cups, which I found these at the Dollar Tree, I got this whole bag. Yeah, I opened it. I had to take some. Okay. I got basically all these items at the Dollar Tree except for this decorating kit. I got this at Walmart for $3. It was $2.97. It ended up being like $3 and some change, okay? And we're gonna use just eyeballs. I don't know yet if I'm gonna use the carrots or not, but we're gonna use some items out of here. And I am going to use chocolate fudge frosting, okay? I got this pan to bake it in out of the Dollar Tree. If you don't have a pan, you get 2 for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started making our turkey brownies. First step is to turn our oven on, and we're gonna preheat it to 360 degrees. So go ahead and put it at 360. Can you guys see that? Okay, so the first step after we preheat our oven to 360 degrees is to make our brownie batter mix per the Betty Crocker brownie mix package, okay? So get your mixing bowl, nice size mixing bowl. If you don't have one, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree as well. I've been handy, but I got it at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And it has been holding up, okay? So we have the brownie mix in there. We are going to go ahead, we're gonna add in our 1 egg, like so. So that's our 1 egg. Let me throw that away. Okay, and then we are going to add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Let me show y'all the measuring. 1/3 cup, okay? So I'm gonna pour the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil into my measuring cup to make sure that it's correct. And we are going to place that in the bowl. Then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of water. So this is a tablespoon measure, okay? If you don't know, it's a tablespoon. That's 1. And that's 2. So that's everything we need to mix our brownies with. Go ahead and mix that together like so. This is my baking tray. If it's 8 inches, then you need to grease it. This isn't 8 inches. This pan doesn't need to be greased, okay? Grease the bottom only of an 8-inch square pan. So you're going to pour the brownie batter like so into a pan. And we are going to bake for 26 to 28 minutes or until a toothpick. We can insert a toothpick and it goes all the way through and comes out clean. Once your oven has preheated properly to the proper temperature, go ahead and place your brownie pan into the oven and allow it to cook until you can insert a toothpick in it and it comes out clear. Like when it comes out of the oven in this particular pan that I am using. Okay, I am going to allow this to cool before we begin to decorate it because we have to put that frosting, that chocolate frosting on top. Our turkey brownies are done. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video on a great idea that you can have on your table for your family as a dessert for the holidays, for Thanksgiving. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, everyone, for another wonderful video. Peace. You all have a beautiful and blessed day. Stay safe.